Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whichever place you're watching me from. My good name is Jemima Rajaro and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello! Hi! Hi beautiful people. Hi handsome boys and men. Hi beautiful girls and ladies and mothers. Yeah. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My good name is Jemima Rajaro and I'm glad to be in this space to be hosted by you amazing people. Simnipe maua zangu. Please give me my flowers. Hey, nimejaribu nani? I have tried. Hello. Yes, welcome to my first YouTube video, that is the introduction video. Get to know me better. Yes, my name is Jemima Rajaro from the capital city of Africa, that is Kenya. Yeah, so I've joined this content creation space and we'll be bringing you more content, amazing, that is not boring. Ala mbona niwabo na vitu niwalete vitu zinawabo. Yes, so we'll be bringing you amazing content and yeah, good things. Let's get to maombea chai hivi. I'll be serving you some tea, by biblical tea. Tujue huyu Lamek alitoa audacity wapi? Where did he get the audacity from just to leo ni introduction. Jemima jifunze kufunga muda. Yeah, so I'm so happy to be here. Yes, so what else should I say? What type of content am I bringing? Yes, nimesema tu, one is serving you tea. Watu wangu wa Belo, Umbea zone. Chai. Nitakuwa nawapakulia chai na dakua. Tunadakua pamoja. Lakini chai ile ingine tujue Biblia inatuambiaje. Yes, so like tupate kujua tu, going deeper to understand these people, these Bible characters. Tuwachambue kidogo. Yeah. And content such as challenges, pranks, lifestyle, get to know me better. Yes, let's walk this journey together. Okay? Yes. And before we continue, let me give you a minute. Yeah, let me fold my arms, sit back, relax, and give you a minute to subscribe. Yeah, kindly support this girl by subscribing. Subscription button hiyo niko hapo chini. On your right hand side there is something written subscribe. So kindly tufinye tu jamani. It's free, tufinye tu. Finya tu mara moja, unafinya tu mara moja pap. Then you turn on your notification bell so that anytime I get to post a new video, you are the first one to be notified. Sasa tufinye tu. Just 1 minute. Omera digino. Di kamano. Yeah, thank you. And after watching this video, kindly give it a like. Hata before watch, just like. Just like. Sasa mbona usilike jamani? Hiyo tu finya tu hiyo kidole kinakaa hivi. Kinakaa hivi. Yes, just press it once. Usifinye hii ni dislike. Finya hii. Hii inamaanisha like. Hivyo. Thank you. Na ukimaliza kuwatch, sasa mbona uache watu wako nyuma? Hebu niambie. Mbona watu wako waache nyuma? Hebu finya hiyo nini, share na wapelekee ujumbe, waambie kuna YouTube channel mpya na huku ni kama kuna chai moto. Yeah, there is hot tea. Hot tea, yeah. Yes, so welcome to my space. Welcome to my space. Welcome to my world of content creation. I am glad to be here. Nipe naitwaje? Lenye mabibi harusi wanapewa inaitwaje? Hiyo. Welcome once again. Karibuni sana. Karibuni nyote. Leta marafiki. Call your grandma. Call your grandpa. Tell them to subscribe. That grandma's your grandma's churchmate. Your grandma's churchmate best friend. Waambie wa subscribe. Yes. That cousin of your cousin. That cousin of your cousin of your cousin. Tell them to subscribe. This channel is gonna be late. Tumeanza. We are here to start. Yes. Yeah, thank you so much for subscribing in the button below. And yes, welcome to my space. Welcome to my world. Karibuni sana, na tuzidi na huo moyo mkunjufu, tusichoke jamani. Si ndio? Yes. Hebu nifinyie jicho. Yes, thank you so much, and be blessed. Yes, keep on trying it, my friend. Don't give up. Don't give up. I haven't given up yet, so you just don't tell yourself you're not going to give up. Yeah, no matter the challenges, no matter how hard it's gonna be, we're going to try. We'll keep on trying until the Lord blesses us. Until the Lord blesses us. Yes, so don't give up, my friend. Usichoke. Mbona uchoke nani mapema hivi? Keep on trying. Thank you and bye.